Welcome all. Today I will discuss with you projection of planes. So in this topic I will discuss the numerical, that is square lamina ABCD of side 30 mm has the diagonal AC inclined at 45 degree to HP and the diagonal VD inclined to vertical plane at 30 degree. So we have to draw projections. So as usual, first of all draw axis, that is XY. Now on this axis draw projector line using set square. So we have to draw square over here because the plane is, we have to incline with the HP. So first of all we have to keep it, that is parallel to HP. So name this lamina as A, B, C and D. So here is top view. Now we have drawn front view. So name it as C dash, A dash, B dash and D dash. Now we have to incline this front view at angle of 45 with HP. So now draw inclined line at angle of 45 with HP. So on this line cut a distance equal to the distance we are getting in the front view, that is the distance between A dash and C dash. So be mere here and now mark on this line and also mark projection for B dash D dash. So again name them. So here is C1 dash, B1 dash, D1 dash and A1 dash. So through these points draw projector lines. Use set square. Now draw horizontal line through the top view of stage 1, that is from here. So now move along this projector line C dash from here and C from this side. So this point represent C1. Similarly V1 from here, B from here, V1, A1 and A1 from this side. Similarly D point here. Join all these points with a straight line because these are shaped like polygons. So now this is the projection of lamina when the lamina is inclined at 45 to HP. Now we have to incline diagonal BD with BP at angle of 30 degree. So now we have to incline this lamina keeping BD inclined to BP. So we have to draw a line at angle 30 degree. So from here so this is the line at angle of 30 degree with the VP. Now say this point is, we have to incline BD. So say this point is V1, this one V1. Now we have to mark D1. For this, measure with the help of compass the distance between the B and D and cut same along this line at angle of 30 degree. So this point is D1. Now we have to find point C. So again repeat the procedure. From here measure point C and mark on both sides of this inclined line because we have to draw projections for C as well as point A. Now repeat this step with point B. So here is intersection of these 2 points. So this point is A1 and this one is C1. Join these points. So we join this with the scale. Also draw this line. Now we have to draw projection in the front view. So now use ruler scale to draw lines through these points or draw projectors through respective points as B point here, C point, A point and D point. Now pass horizontal line through these points, that is B and D, also through C, to get intersection in the front view. Now from this side point B and from this point B, so this is representing B1 dash. Now C from this side, C from this, so this represent C1 dash. A and A1 dash, then D and D from this side, D1 dash. Join these points. C and D, we join these 2 points also. So complete the square, complete the shape of the object. So this is the result when the plane is inclined to 45 with HP and 30 degree to BP. So represent or mark all the given data on this drawing. Here is 45 degree, this angle is 30 degree. Dimension is given as 30 mm. This is the solution of given problem.